You like seeing yourself? Oh, you like seeing yourself? Get your thumb out your mouth. Get your thumb out your mouth. Hey, hey, what are you doing? Oh, honey, honey, honey. Ouch. What are you doing, you nut? Go ahead, you two talk. Go ahead and talk. There we go. I got both of you now. So my Sadie's 3 years old. Hey, don't do that. And Chase is 7 months old. Get your foot out of his face. What are you doing?
Me too.
What's that face for?
Me too.
What's that face for?
Me too.
Ready? Ah! What are you doing? What are you doing? So we just had your hair washed because you put Vaseline in your hair, right?
Now I push it.
Mm-hmm. So I wanna find
Mommy, cook, Mommy, turn the camera around.
Mm-hmm.